7 getting underway yesterday, and 5 matches were played yesterday, with 2 of those games seeing about 5 goals and 3 with no goals whatsoever. So our Shadrack Nyawa drops down to the bench. Just that Dynamos had to change a few of the players there, and Bill Antonio comes in there together with Martin Ofori. God knows Murida getting his first start after coming through from the Africa Cup of Nations, where he was turned out for Zimbabwe. So he's in the starting lineup. Emmanuel Paga keeps his place, so he's the top man today. The man who was playing for Vision FC. Tenax FC and Philip Makumi in goal, and coming through from Mushowani Stars. He was with them in Division 1, but now joining Tenax in the Premier League. Dynamos going through their pre-match ritual on the goal line, of course asking for divine intervention from the Almighty. And our striker today getting a goal as they kick us underway here at the National Sports Stadium. Dynamos taking on Tenax. You can come through with your comments in the comment section. As Dynamos come through, first shots. Platinum, Sylvester Apia, who also joined from ZPC Kariba. Muringai with a cross. Finds Antonio on the back post. Cuts inside. A cross and a shot! And it's a goal! Ofori! On his debut for Dynamos, and he gets a goal. So this was Muringai with the cross, and fell on Antonio on that far side. Cut inside, the cross came through, and Ofori on the edge of the 6-yard box. What a start for Dembare. Vula looking for Keith Moreira, another newcomer to this Dynamo side. Yeah, it was time for a dance. Warriors at the training ground, hit it away. And Takunda now can come through. The skipper, Mapara, onto the near side, an opportunity then. Oh, he spread it wide onto that far side. They're still in there, and they should go! Oh my word! They really worked it well. Shadrack Mugurasave likes that. It was a twisting and turning. Then boom! He picked his spot, Mutsaga. Yeah, you gotta enjoy that dance. Oh, sweetly hit by that right foot that they're failing to deal with. In fact, Dynamos want to make a triple change. Antonio into the box, that shot will come, and it's a goal! Emmanuel Paga! Getting the second for Dynamos. 6. So Jaure will come to take the throw in the near side. Makunike with his first touch. Antonio, the man who created the goal scored by Paga. Makunike onto Antonio once again, but overcooks it. And Makarate beaten on that far side. A chance then, looking for Dumbura in the middle of the back. After the substitution of Moreira. On the near side now, Antonio. With a cross, finding Katema. A chance! Oh my God, it's a goal! Kawandera on that far post. 67 minutes into the game. And Kawandera lashed onto it. There was Katema. And then Kaondera had the simplest of tasks. Katema laying it on for Nyawa, and Nyawa didn't have much power to put it beyond Philip Makumi, but Kaondera did just that.